The supply of homes for sale has increased as the market cooled. Even though inventory is still low overall, buyers today have more options, and with that comes more negotiating power. As a seller, that means you may see more buyers getting an inspection, requesting repairs, or asking for help with closing costs. It's not just that the number of homes for sale has grown this year. Buyer demand has pulled back in light of higher mortgage rates. As a result, pricing your house appropriately so you can catch the eyes of a serious buyer is important. You don't want to overreach with your price and deter buyers. At the same time, you don't want to undervalue your home and leave money on the table. Buyers have more options and are more particular about their investment since it costs more to buy a home given today's mortgage rates. As a result, you need to make sure your house shows well. For expert advice on how to quickly sell your house in a shifting market, let's connect.